Yo, I'm gonna hit Marlene on FaceTime real quick so I can show her. She used to come with me to look at these things all the time, but it's different now with the baby and stuff. Hey babe, you wanna see the house we just bought?
Yeah.
This was a major score. First of all, check this out.
I'm excited.
I mean, this is the neighborhood, right? Look, the streets are all newly paved and everything. But like, honestly, this house was a score. Check it out.
Nice.
Yeah, I mean, look, it's got the black trim on the windows. Look at the grass is all cut.
They really kept it nice.
Oh yeah, it's beautiful. I mean, look, this was a super, super, super good deal. Anyways, I just wanted to show you, okay?
Thanks, baby.
All right, I love you. Talk to you later.
I'll go out there and get with you, okay?
Okay, yeah, I'm gonna put the lockbox on it and we can come together whenever, okay?
Okay,
All right, love you too, bye. What is up, guys? I'm in Yorba Belinda with my boy Dustin, the closer, checking out this property that I just bought. So this one's got me a little nervous. I'm gonna tell you guys why, okay? I literally bought this thing sight unseen. I mean, I've seen pictures, but if you're in real estate, you know that when these wholesalers bring you deals with pictures, or if you're talking to a seller, you can never really trust the pictures. Usually you gotta come put your eyes on it. The only reason I made an exception on this property was because the discount was so deep. I knew that no matter what was wrong with it, it was a good deal. And I trusted the source that was bringing me the deal. And as you can see, look around. I mean, we haven't even walked inside yet, but look around. I mean, this place is beautiful. Guys, we're in Yorba Belinda in Orange County right now. This is a $800,000 house. From what I was told, it's half rehabbed already. And I'm gonna tell you guys another pro tip, okay? Whenever a seller or a wholesaler who's bringing you a deal tells you, hey, the house is already halfway rehabbed, that's usually a bad sign. In my experience, I've done like hundreds of deals, right? Whenever someone tells me the house is half rehabbed, I get there and here's what happens. Shit's just tore up. You have a bathroom that's half remodeled with tile everywhere, and you have drywall up, and half rehab's usually a bad thing. Usually my crew's gotta come in and demo everything all over again and do it anyway, so it's not no benefit. But I did see pictures of the inside and it really did look like it was half rehab. But we're about to find out right now, so let's get it. This is my first time seeing the house. Gotta be honest, I'm nervous, but I do feel good because judging by the way the outside looks, it looks pretty good. But I've also bought houses too where the outside looked immaculate and the inside was destroyed, so let's check it out. All right, not bad so far. Let's see if we can get these lights on. Well, maybe we got no power. All right, check it out. Right off the bat, I could tell you like, this is not a bad sign. These floors are good. And by the way, guys, I'm actually gonna keep this place for a rental. So if I was gonna like rehab it to flip it, it wouldn't matter. I'd be putting all new everything in. But because I'm gonna keep it, my goal is to do it as cheap as possible and capture as much equity as possible, okay? So right off the bat, this carpet's gotta go, but that don't cost nothing. Paint, that's no big deal. This right here is actually not bad. I'll just keep that the way it is. Put a little flat screen TV there. Fireplace is nice. Here we go, the kitchen. Check this out. So this kitchen obviously is super outdated, and I'll tell you guys, if I was gonna flip this house, I would probably cut right here and open this up and make it like really nice. But since I'm just gonna rent it, I'm gonna keep it like this. And here's what I'm gonna do. I can already tell you what I'm gonna do. With this kitchen in particular, these cabinets, I'm gonna leave all this stuff here and have my guy come in and like resurface them and then paint them so they change colors. You'd be surprised what we could do with this type of stuff. We could literally come in here and give it a whole new look without even getting rid of this. But I will get rid of this and put quartz or marble or something that looks good. I'll put all new appliances, paint, new backsplash. This kitchen will be looking just like tip-top shape. Before we go outside, let's go check out over here. This is easy. New carpet and paint, done deal. Let's check out the bathroom. So this bathroom's super outdated. Floor is good, toilet's good. I mean, this isn't bad. I'll probably leave this the way it is, to be honest. I'll just get a new vanity that matches. This must be the master bedroom. So right off the bat, new carpet, needs closet doors, nothing major. Oh, here's the surprise. I like this. This is half rehabbed. So they did a good job remodeling this bathroom. As you guys can see, this is actually really nice. So now that I know this bathroom's like this, I'll make the other one match it, but I could do a bathroom like this for like 6 grand. It's nothing crazy. This is like decent quality, like grade C. It looks really nice, but for a rental, it's perfect. Let's check out the backyard. What's this, another back bedroom? Easy money, easy money. The thing that makes this house so expensive, guys, I mean, get your head around this, okay? This house is gonna be worth 800 grand when it's done. It's like a 1,300 square foot house, but the location. We're in Yorba Linda. It's just a desirable area. Oh, and look at this. This is nice. This is really nice. So I'll have my guys haul this thing out of here. We don't need this. I wonder if that spa still works. Yeah, this would be an easy fix. All right, guys, so here's the recap of this deal. I'm pleasantly surprised. This house is in really good shape. I have no doubts it'll appraise for $800,000 when I'm done doing what I gotta do, which it'll cost me less than 20 grand to do what I gotta do to get this house ready. This is a major score because I only paid 500 grand for this house. So let the lesson be learned that the money in real estate is in keeping these type of properties. I had this property for 500 grand. I could have easily sold it wholesale for maybe 580, you know, maybe 590. Could have made 90 grand real quick and then gave half of it to the IRS, right? But instead, I'm gonna spend a couple bucks. I'm gonna keep this in my portfolio, add 300 grand of my net worth. Not to mention, this house will rent for $4,200 a month in this area. Rent's really high in Orange County. So I think I'll probably cash flow about $1,000 a month also. And when you have these type of properties, guess what? You have grade A top tier tenants. The people that pay $4,200 a month for rent, they don't fuck your house up, right? They don't pay late. It's just a different class of tenant, right? So this is definitely my biggest score for 2020. I'm excited about this house. This your boy Chris, the Shark, signing out. Follow me for more content. I'm gonna be bringing you guys free videos, educational stuff, motivational stuff, lifestyle stuff, all right? And until next time, we'll see you. God bless.